Netflix launches first games on smartphones?
Yes. Have you heard about this?
Not at all.
Oh, yeah. So they're not directly in the app itself, but you can download them. But you still need your Netflix account to play.
What type of games are we talking about? Like trivia games? Or are we talking about... Oh.
So there's 5 games that just got released. I started playing Stranger Things 3, and it's kind of like an isometric beat 'em up kind of game.
Easy gamer.
It's I don't know, it's kind of fun.
So
It's on
what is
Android.
isometric? Is that like scrolling left to right?
It's like it's kind of like top down, like isometric kind of look.
Oh, like original Grand Theft Auto?
Kind of. Hold on, let me just show you some screenshots here.
We're gonna do a screenshot or two. Wow, Netflix getting into gaming. I mean, it was talked about. Oh, it's like a 3/4 angle.
3/4, yeah.
Yeah. I got you. Not fully top down. And so, what are you doing? You're running around and you're killing people, or what are you doing?
Yeah, you're trying to defeat, I guess, the monsters.
I never watched Stranger
collect
Things.
weapons.
What would the weapons be? Would you have like a chainsaw, or would it be like a baseball bat? Like,
Yeah, something like that. I mean, I
no
think
guns.
I think it's set in the 80s. I haven't really watched the show as well. Maybe it's just the first season. But the game kind of draw me in because it's just one of those old school kind of beat 'em up games.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like the art style of it.
Yeah.
It looks fun and cool.
Pixel art.
Yeah.
But I just wanted to give it a shot because it's Netflix kind of branded game.
So let me get this straight. So you're not playing it inside of the Netflix app
No, you have to download each game separately.
from the App Store.
And it only works on Android right now.
So the
iOS
Play
is
Store.
coming in a couple months, yeah.
Okay, so you're on a Play Store and you just search up Stranger Things 3, the game.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the game is there. You download it, and then you log into the game with your Netflix credentials.
Yes. It is interesting. You would think that it would be in the app, like
For
simple
sure.
games, but these are full-fledged games apparently.
This is just the beginning of a long journey. We're excited to provide a gaming experience that is differentiated from what is available today. Exclusive mobile games with no ads, no in-app payments included with your Netflix membership. Isn't this kind of what Apple does with Apple Arcade?
Mm-hmm.
You have a subscription fee,
Yes.
and then you get access to this variety of games that are included in that subscription.
Mm-hmm.
I guess you don't.
I guess using Netflix's IP as well.
That appears to be a big move there.
Yeah.
So you can watch the show, enjoy the brand, play the game, buy the merch, et cetera, et cetera.
It's a metaverse in and of itself.
Whether you're craving a casual game, you can start from scratch, or an immersive experience that lets you dig deeper into your favorite stories. We want to begin to build a library of games that offers something for everyone, wrote Mike Verdu, the company's head of game development. He was a major hire for Netflix, having worked at games giant EA, so a real game guy.
Mm-hmm.
And then, yeah, it's interesting. You start thinking about augmented and virtual reality, and you start to think about experiences and crossovers between content and game. Portions of shows that you could play and then watch, like hybrids.
Interactivity.
It's
I'm telling you, it's a whole metaverse thing.
Are you Mark Zuckerberg?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Yeah, I've been watching a couple of his interviews, man. He's fired up these days. He's really into this stuff, crypto and
I think he wants to live in his own metaverse.
social media.
24/7.
He's into Twitter more than usual and YouTube more than usual.
He's pumped up again.
Very pumped up.
Yeah.
All right.